Hey guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and today we're taking a look at the Sudio TOLV truly wireless earbuds. Now, these are packing a premium sound in a small, stylish package, so stay tuned while we do the unboxing and check them out. Okay, so inside the box you see the compact Sudio charging case and your accessories box. Now, I went for the stealth black option, but these also come in a variety of different colors, and I'll leave links down below you can peruse at your will. Taking a look at the accessories first, you have 3 extra pairs of ear tips, a warranty card, and some paperwork. Also, you get a pretty tiny micro USB charging cable. Obviously would have liked to see USB-C, but we'll give them a pass. The case has a nice soft touch rubber feel and has a cool hip string attached, which certainly sets them apart from a crowded field of wireless earbuds. On the back of the case is your micro USB charging port and a few LED lights to let you know when you're charging and when you need to charge. So far from a packaging standpoint, these are pretty rad. The sleek design continues onto the earbuds as well, as they are also made of the same rubberized texture of the case. Each earbud has a control button in this sort of textured aluminum brushed steel look. The buttons do what you expect, so play pause, double tap to skip, triple tap to rewind, and also long press for your voice assistant. The earbuds have indicators for left and right ear, and also discreetly say Sudio on the bottom. Pairing is pretty painless. As soon as you take the earbuds out of the case, these things are ready, willing, and able to pair with your device. No need to press any buttons, just pop them out and connect. So let's talk about sound. Now, truly wireless earbuds as a whole have really improved over the past 2 years. And lately I keep surprising myself with how good some of these earbuds sound. The TOLV Sudio are no exception. The graphene drivers inside the Sudios produce super clear, crisp, engaging sound. The bass is definitely there once you get the right ear tip, but I was mostly impressed with the clarity and the soundscape. These have a great, natural, wide sound. Reverb on vocals sound great and clear, acoustic guitars have a nice sheen, and vocals are right where they need to be on several tracks and in several different genres. These are a great sounding pair of truly wireless earbuds, light years ahead of some previous earbuds I've tested, and they'd better be at that $129 price point. Although I think right now they're hovering around $99. Again, I'll leave the product link down in the description. In terms of comfort, these feel light, with each bud coming in at 4.5 grams. That's half a gram lighter than a US nickel. They have a slim footprint, and I've worn these for several hours without feeling fatigued. The only real issue is skipping tracks. The button takes a bit of force to register, so you end up jamming the buds a bit deeper every time you want to skip tracks. Both earbuds have microphones, so you can make and receive calls with one or both earbuds for a stereo sound. And call quality is decent. Also, I didn't experience any lag when watching YouTube or Netflix thanks to Bluetooth 5.0. The earbuds can run about 7 hours out of the case, and the case holds an additional 4 charges, so you're looking at around 35 hours of playtime on a single charge, which is right on par, if not better, than some other premium name brand buds on the market today. All in all, these are a solid pickup and a really good lifestyle earbud, combining both great sound quality, battery life, and a host of really fun colors to match your personal style. So that about wraps this one up. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll be hanging like Epstein down in the comments below, so be sure to pass by, say what up. As always, this has been Nick from Quick Tech. We'll see you in the next one.